What if I told you that you don't need to chase money to become rich? You just need to change your frequency. It might sound a bit out there, but hear me out. Millionaires don't spend their days running after money. Instead, they raise their vibration so high that money is naturally drawn to them. It's a completely different way of operating. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to mirror that frequency and start shifting your own reality. Most people stay stuck because their mindset is trapped in fear, doubt, and a feeling of scarcity. They're constantly worried about what they don't have. But wealthy people operate from a place of confidence, clarity, and abundance. They believe there's more than enough to go around. Here's the key truth. You don't get what you want in life. You get what you are. If you keep thinking, feeling, and acting like someone who struggles, your reality will keep reflecting that struggle back to you. But the moment you shift your internal state, everything on the outside begins to change. So where do people go wrong? The biggest mistake is repeating affirmations they don't actually believe. They say, "I am rich," while every cell in their body is screaming, "I'm broke." And the universe doesn't respond to your words. It responds to your feelings. Your emotional state is the signal you're sending out. So, if you really want to change your life, you have to align your emotions with the reality you desire. Let's get practical. First, start by changing your identity. Stop asking, "How will I become rich?" and start asking a better question. If I were already a millionaire, how would I think, act, and make decisions right now? Then, start showing up as that version of yourself today. Next, focus on your emotions. This is critical. Every day, close your eyes for just a few minutes and truly feel what it is like to have already achieved success. Feel the freedom, the confidence, the security washing over you. Don't just think it, feel it in your gut, because emotion is frequency, and that frequency creates attraction. And finally, you have to take aligned action. You can't just think and feel your way to success from the couch. You have to act differently too. This means making better decisions with your money, investing your time wisely, learning value skills, and taking smart, calculated risks. When your actions finally match your new identity and your new emotional state, your reality has no choice but to follow. Remember, you're not just trying to attract money. You are becoming the person that money is naturally attracted to. Once your identity truly shifts, everything else will begin to fall into place almost effortlessly. If you're ready to align with the frequency of success, start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Become the person who creates it. Let me know you're serious by commenting "I am aligning with Millionaire frequency" down below. And if you want to go deeper on this journey, make sure you subscribe and keep watching. Thanks for being here.